Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Listen, you guys, just want to let you in on a little secret. So we're doing another collab with Madam Glam, and they're offering you guys an insane deal for Black Friday. 50% off, you guys. Black Friday deals. Here's the website. I'm gonna have all this linked in the description box below this video, but I'm excited to talk to you about Madam Glam. You guys know I've done Madam Glam before. This is the gel nail polish. It's animal cruelty free. It's vegan. And they have some amazing, amazing colors. You guys, let me just move down. I do want to go through this very quickly. Here are the Glam colors. These are already marked down, you guys. I mean, some of these colors are already marked down. They have the base coat, the top coat. When I use it, I do it under the gel light to set the gel. Love these colors. Oh my goodness. Fifth Avenue, Candy Muncher, Bright Honey is pretty. Right now it's fall. And so they sent me, yes, they did. They sent me some of their fall colors. And I love these. This is your soak off gel polish. You can get up to 4 weeks. These actually probably last longer than any nail polish I've ever used before. And I'm not just saying that because I'm doing the review, but I am the queen of paint your nails right now and have a chip nail in 5 minutes. Madam Glam's nail polishes did not chip. So here is one of the colors. This is called Pivot. That's kind of like a mauvey brown. I don't know if you can see it really well, but it's kind of like a mauvey brown. It's all fall colors. This is I'm fine. Okay. We see you, Madam Glam. I'm fine. Can y'all see that one? These are all in the brown kind of honey cream family. Now, I don't have my nails painted with this right now because I already had my nails done. Hi, I'm Chandler. Oh, I love this one. But what I'm thinking about is when I go back to get my nails done, is taking my own polish. And I'm thinking about this Hi, I'm Chandler one because I'm not going to do the French. I'm just going to do full set nails. And so these are the zero point 0.5 fluid ounces. They last a long time, you guys. I just want you to know that. And then this is another one. This is called Smelly Cat. This is cute, right? That's the color of it. It's kind of like a white, but it does have a tint of like, I don't want to say pink. Pink's not right, but like a tint of beige. So it's like a pinky beige. Probably not the best way to see it. But I do want you to know that I really love the Madam Glam nails. They would make an amazing Christmas gift. And like I said, right now, today only, November the 12th, they are having their special Black Friday sale. So if you click on the link below in the description box, you'll be able to get 50% off of your order. They have the gel, one-step gels. Let's see what's on that one. So this is without having to do the top coat. This is the base coat, top coat, and the color. So this is all in one. If you didn't want it, oh, these are pretty. And they're an amazing price already, but remember, using my code Shakema BF50, you'll be able to get 50% off of your order. I love this ready or not. Oh my word. That is what I'm talking about. So you guys, I just wanted to bring this to you really, really quickly. Get those stocking stuffers, throw them in your kids' bags or your sister bags, or if you have like the tightest two women like I do, if you're doing Christmas gift exchange, this would be an amazing gift to exchange for all of the beauties in your life. I may just go on here. We do gift exchange with a couple of my girlfriends. They may be getting these, who knows? But I do like this one-step gel where you don't have to do the 3 steps, right? Nothing but boyfriend. All these Nacho Love. These are all cute. You guys go on Madam Glam, give them a try, see what they have out there to offer. And if it's something that you think would be amazing, it would be lovely to have you use my link. I don't make anything from it. This is just bringing it to you to say, hey guys, this is what is available. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Madam Glam's Black Friday, 50% off, November 12th, good only for the discount. The link will be down in the description box below. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.